Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
You're like dictating to me when you're like literally known.
One way.
Babe, you love this, don't you?
One way. This is a one-way street. I don't care, walk. No, this is a one-way street. This is a one-way street. You can't go this way. No, this is one way. I live in this house. This is a one-way street. So go around the block, man. You can come out over here. You're going the wrong way on the street. Listen, I have kids. So pull over and walk. Pull over and walk. So go the right way. Turn around. Turn around. I'll stay here too. That's fine.
Do it, bro. I hate when people drive down.
Thank you. Thank you.
Fuck you, bro.
Turn around. I don't. Then walk. And then turn around and go. So get out, walk, and then go. Turn around. I'll stay here too. That's fine.
And you've got Azpilicueta, and then everyone else beyond that, you kind of go, I know who they are, but I don't know who starts. Like, dude.
Yeah. I mean, we got guys, on the main Spanish way who start from Belgium, and people like that. Speaking of Belgium, I see the manager, Martinez, Roberto Martinez, just got hired by Spain. Is there?
Kind of noting, one is the telegraphing of this decision, because it's not being done secretly, it's being done out in the open. There's certainly a calculus to that.
Oh my God.
Why are they telegraphing this? But it's not being done secretly, it's being done out in the open. There's certainly a calculus to that.
Oh my God.
Why are they telegraphing this? And what are they intending to do with that messaging being put out there like this? And it may be that it's to assert or assume a stronger negotiating position.
Мальчик, суды, адвокаты пригрозили папкой, выгнали из дома, бля, ребят, спасибо, нахуй. Никогда не думал, что оставим мы Россию.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. They're like red.
Back squats.
Oh, please sit there.
No, you didn't fucking turn too long.
Oh, God damn it. Oh, idiot. God damn it. No.
Recorded. Quality assurance. We have a special promotion today for select callers.
Really?
Press 1. If not,
What?
press 2.
He just told me to slow down. I just pulled out of the neighborhood. He called me a bitch too.
If you are over
My CEO, the master of my CEO. Jesus fuck!
Hello, are you okay, sir? You okay? I fell asleep behind the wheel. Alright. Well. Alright, you have your insurance information on you? Yeah.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.